Kiva Body. Who's Kiva Body?
Fine, I cannot show my real name. Also, I cannot show my face because I don't want to do a face reveal. So, let's go play with my friend. Oh, equipped gambler. Yeah. I got a fishing hook. Okay, anyways, let's go. Oh, I reached 100. The map has grown bigger. Yeah, I played. I do nights before, but I don't know. It's hard to play it again with you viewers hitting the like and subscribe button. Okay. Oh, I reached 100. Okay, sorry, I cut the.
I kissed the wall. Did you? What is this? What's this?
It's called a ping. When someone dies, they can ping. Oh, no, it's not my real name. That's not my real name.
I know. I think I don't know you. How did you do that?
What? I didn't do anything.
How did you get the missing child?
I'm not there.
Did someone free it?
Yeah.
Yes, we have a secret pro here. Oh. Where's the other players? How are they not working?
Okay.
Also known as I'm the one to crash.
Okay.
What is a supply crate?
Wait, let me check.
I'm gonna build it.
Control. Open. Oh, it has blue offering and alien offering. Too late. Too late.
Oh my, the fire!
Yeah. Oh shoot. I gotta get some wood. Okay. I plant these seeds so that it. Oh! I found a bandage.
Pick it up.
I got it. Oh, chest.
I found a bear already.
Oh.
I found the bear already. It's chasing me. It's chasing me.
Run!
I put a shotgun.
I haven't seen the shotgun in 99 nights.
Well, I think you added a new weapon. And also, I just tricked you.
Get out! Wait, what gun did you had?
I found a medical store.
Oh, I didn't
Can
know.
we drown in this game?
No, we cannot.
Why?
Because this is Roblox. I'm going to get a Good
I'm
axe.
dead, Nonoy!
Ah,
I died.
why did you die for?
What do you mean? Why did you die?
For?
I was exploring and you're blaming me. Well, revive me. Or else I'll unfriend you. I'm here!
Yes, but there's wolves.
Kiss them. Can you take the fan? I will take these blueprints.
I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry I could eat a dog.
I have to eat raw meat.
Ew. Bakla.
Oh, a chest.
And I'll block you.
Hey! I swear I'll take you.
Stop jumping!
That's
If
just
you shoot me, then you're wasting ammo.
Kuya Bonjoy. I'm trying to open the chest.
Find your speakers. What did you get?
I got a giant sack.
Oh, okay.
That's so large.
Like you. Because you're fat.
Oh, I found another one.
What did you found?
Another medical station. I found a cake. I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry I can eat Nonoy.
Yum. I found a microwave also.
Microwave. Microwave.
Okay.
Nonoy, I'm at Jollibee.
I found another med kit.
Oh, I'm also at Jollibee.
You know, you cannot say my real name because when there's a owl, don't move.
You think I'm dumb at this game? Yes. Nonoy, are you good at... Nonoy, can we still tame animals?
I don't know where's the flute,
Did
but
they remove the flute?
yeah, I think.
Why? Nonoy, an animal is chasing me. I died. Hurry up!
Yes, I am.
You're too nonchalant.
Look,
Just use your axe and don't take my stuff.
okay, I'm not taking your stuff.
Oh my god.
Killed you.
Revive me.
Yes, I am. This. You idiot!
Why did you take my stuff?
I didn't.
I didn't say it to you.
Okay.
Okay, Nonoy.
Yes.
An item glitch out of the map, Nonoy.
What glitch out? What item?
What do you mean, what item? You think I have this face to see what happened? Nonoy, I don't wanna. Let's leave.
Yeah, because these noobs steal our stuff when we die.
Let's waste their metal. Let's waste their stuff before they're done.
Yeah, let's spend their metal and live. Daddy's world time.
Let's leave.
Daddy's world time.